I am Chitranjit Srivastava, student of class 9, and I am your reporter for this week edition of MSPS Campus Chronicles. Once again, I will take you around the campus to catch up some more interesting things going around the campus. So stay tuned for much more to come. So here I am giving you a brief glimpse of the class photograph which is clicked. Every year is a special memory for every student. As you can see that all these students are lined up in a disciplined order along with their class teachers. A few more random clicks of all the other classes photos that are being clicked today. These photographs are clicked in a different slot so as to ensure perfect discipline. In the continuation of the Christmas activity preparation, I am now catching up with the dance preparation for the special assembly. The vibrant and happy performance are all getting ready for the Christmas to celebrate. A few more clicks of the class photograph that is continuing today also for classes 6 to 8 along with classes 9th and 11th. See how happy the students are to stand along with their friends. Today I have come to the art room to give you a glimpse of the interesting activities that are spread in the art room. These are the part of Christmas activities that is very soon coming up. All the colors of the Christmas are spread in the art room and it's really building the excitement for the Christmas activity coming up soon. Now here is something interesting to show and that is the movie day. The students from Rampur Garden School are here to watch some interesting movies in the AV hall. Just see how happy and excited they are. All the students are busy attempting their paper to the best of their ability. The purpose of such Olympiads is to enhance the learning power of the students and to further update their level of aptitude. Here I am giving you a quick look at the Christmas activities that are prepared by the children. See the happiness on their faces as they receive the activities from their teachers. Today lots of things are lined up and important one is Hindustan Olympiad that is going to be conducted for classes 1st to 11th. The test involves multiple choice question, both subjective as well as based upon logical reasoning. Once again, I have brought you the AV hall where the students of the pre-primary classes of Rampur Garden School are here to enjoy the movie day. The happy faces clearly display their happiness and excitement. Now I am moving towards the Christmas activity going on class 3rd. See the happiness on their faces as they receive the activity from their teachers. The students of class 1st are learning all about the time by an interesting activity and it's correctly said that whatever we learn with pleasure, we always remember. So here also the little ones are learning how to see time and they are thoroughly enjoying the activity.
Who will tell what is the time now? 6. What is the time? 6.
One more accolade was brought by Aditya Pandey of class 4th as he grabbed first place in state singing competition. Matter of great pride for this school as Anushka Chaudhary and Rudhraj Singh of class 8 as they got second position in badminton championship. So here are the students of classes 10th and 12th who are all seriously giving their second pre-board exams which have begun today. The main purpose is to prepare them for the boards exams to ensure their good performance. We really wish them all the best. Continuing with the preparation for the Christmas special assembly, here are the students of class 4th and 5th who are preparing the activity scene which is an essential part of the Christmas assembly.
This night is no other night. It is
A very important campaign was conducted in the school which is a part of Desh Ka Prakriti Parikshan. This campaign was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister on 6th International Ayurveda Day. Under this, a team of doctors and medical professionals from Rohilkhand Ayurvedic College and Hospitals came to the school for motivating everyone to maintain a positive attitude towards our health. As a part of campaign, the school staff members underwent a medical checkup and their awareness level was also enhanced as to how they can remain healthy. Such health campaigns are not only important to know about our well-being but also to realize if there are any disease symptoms. This Prakriti Parikshan definitely a healthy move in a positive direction.